Good evening. After Thursday's fall, the Indian equity markets bounced back today after Finance Minister clarified its stand on tax residency certificate, which had caused confusion over the FIIs. The Finance Ministry said it will not question the validity of the tax residency certificate held by the foreign investors, noting that the current double tax treaty with Mauritius remains in effect. Quarterly GDP number of 4.5% released post-market hours on Thursday also contributed to some nervousness. The HSBC Market Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index rose to 54.2 in February after falling to 53.2 in January, further lifted the sentiment. Markets have corrected approximately 6% over the month, largely on the back of deteriorating domestic macroeconomic scenario. With the budget out of the way, market participants will look at the global cues for further direction. A global risk-off may further accentuate selling pressure in the near term. However, with indices at oversold levels, a lot of beaten down large caps may attract investors. The BSE Sensex was up by 57 points to close at 18,918 and the NSE Nifty was up by 27 points to close at 5,720. Among the BSE sectoral indices, the BSE Realty Index was the top loser, down by 4%, followed by the BSE Tech Index and BSE FMCG Index down by 0.2% each. Among the top gainers were BSE Consumer Durable Index up by 3.2%, BSE Capital Good Index up by 1.6% and BSE Auto Index up by 1.5%. BSE Small Cap Index was down by 0.18% while BSE Mid Cap Index was up by 0.3%. Infosys, Wipro, SBI, ICICI Bank, BHEL, HDFC, ONGC, Tata Power, Cipla, Bajaj Auto, Hindalco Industries, GAIL India, Tata Motors and M&M were among the gainers on the Sensex and Nifty today. On the other hand, Reliance Industries, TCS, Hero MotoCorp, Dr. Reddy's, Bharti Airtel, NTPC, Tata Steel and ITC were among the losers. India VIX on the NSE was down by 5% to close at 14.06. Market in Asia ended mixed. The Shanghai Composite Index in China ended lower by 0.3%. Hang Seng Index in Hong Kong slipped by 0.6%. The Nikkei Index in Japan was up by 0.26%. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.